Step 1.
Step 1. Pretty island girl needs a pretty flower.
Thank you, love. We have arrived
At the event.
at the event. Gaius is sleeping. Whoops. Old car show.
Yeah, there probably could be some new cars here too.
And new car show.
There you go.
Oh, boots.
Yeah.
Food.
Food, booths, raffles, popcorn, which is maybe your favorite.
So it's 25 for one, but the raffle is from drawing of October to June, and you can win every month. So I can.
So what was the raffle for?
It's for $50, $100, and $200 or something like that. I don't know. I'm just happy to donate because the money goes towards taking care of the sisters, the nuns when they are, when they can no longer nun and they're retiring. I don't know what the proper word is. What's the word for a retired nun? Because she's not an ex-nun. She's still a nun. I'm not sure what
Retired nun.
Retired nun. Formerly known as nun.
Look at this.
Look at this. He's got a leaf.
I don't know machines. I don't know cars. So if
Well, that's
anyone
what he
could tell
It's
me.
a V8 engine, baby. This is his air filter. And that is so clean. That's like perfectly clean.
That is so clean.
It's like brand new. It looks brand new. It does need some washer fluid.
Daytona.
Wow, what a beautiful engine.
Yeah, that one is brand new.
Yeah. The filter?
No, the whole car.
Oh, the whole car. Okay.
The filter.
That's what I had said was new, was the filters. That's what I thought he was talking about.
No, yeah. Like,
It
The
looks
whole
great,
car is brand new.
I got these out here on my day off, and we got them out here yesterday, and you only can do so much when it's just you. So.
Yeah, it looks great, man. It looks great. You did a great job.
You got a baby in there?
Yes, my
Yeah.
son.
Baby in there.
That's my son. You can say hello.
Hello, little boy. How old is he?
3
3
months,
months.
ma'am.
Oh,
Yes, brand new.
God bless you.
Yes, he's
Yeah.
tiny. He says, well, who's stopping to perturb me? I was sleeping so good. And
Oh
now
no, he's
look
great
at
with people. He loves to be looked at. He
Yeah.
always steals my thunder.
that. Well, that's good, huh? Yes.
He's beautiful.
Beautiful baby. His
Beautiful
name is
baby.
Gaius, like the Bible.
Gaius?
Gaius.
Gaius? Okay.
Gaius.
Hello, Gaius.
Yeah, he's got a little frog on his onesie, huh?
Yep.
I'm too proud.
Yes, we
Yes,
are.
we are.
It's so nice to
It's
see
his
you.
first car show, too. Huh?
Yes, it is.
Yes.
I used to take my father to car shows. I
Uh-huh.
took care of him for about 5 years. He
Uh-huh.
just passed last September. So we're continuing the tradition with the
I
next
see.
generation.
I see that. You don't want to lose that at all, right?
No, no.
And you're capturing the moment, huh?
Yes,
Yes,
he is.
yes. Recording it. Hopefully he will see in the future.
Yeah, absolutely. He'll say, look at all these people. I was sleeping and there they
Yes.
Waking him up.
Yeah. Yeah. Are you one of the sisters?
Uh-huh.
Wonderful. Thank you.
I lived here. I came to the convent in 1960.
Before I was
Wow.
born.
Yeah, you weren't even around yet. Yeah.
Well, thanks for sharing your little boy with us.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you for
he's-
stopping to talk to
Yeah,
us, sister.
he says, "Oh my goodness, that sunshine! I don't like it out here."
Yeah.
You have a beautiful day. God
You
bless.
too.
God
Bye-bye.
bless you.
God
We'll
bless.
see you again.
I used to have a Ram, not this fancy though.
All right, so this is your e-torque system here. So so when it helps the motor be more. So this is one with this was like the slider top on it. So this top slides on the back, but so this comes off and the other side comes off. The doors still come all off. The nice thing about the hybrid, so it's all self-contained, so you still can drive through 3 feet of water.
Right.
No limitations on this vehicle.
Okay. It won't, even if it gets wet, it won't get that. That won't get wet.
Oh, it can get wet. It's all enclosed.
Okay.
Oh, you can get Wranglers, I've seen Wranglers in water all the way up to here. when it's all said and done. I mean, because the way the breathing system's it's up top, so you can get really deep into the water.
Yeah. What is this? The Cross of St. George and a dragon. It looks like.
Beautiful.
I knew the history about that, and I can't remember it. But you did hit that. You know what you called it correctly.
Yeah, I went to school for history.
Okay, yeah. So yeah, because there were 2 different companies, and I can't remember it.
See, I don't know the car history. I just know what the symbols represent.
Right, but yeah, that's because there were 2 different owners, and one person owned it, and they merged together, and that's when they came up.
That's gonna be like Tesla. One day Ford is gonna buy them or something, right?
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
Beautiful.
He's his own guy.
Yeah, he's got his own vibe, but
Actually, I drive it a lot. It's good. I think I just 12,000 miles on it.
Beautiful. Fancy, fancy.
if you translate it, Volkswagen is people's car.
Alex would love this car. My nephew Alex, he loves old
The engine in
cars.
the back. Your trunk is in the front for your storage.
Yes.
64?
I'm not sure. I don't know the year.
Okay, I'll check it.
I just know it's beautiful and well maintained.
My first car.
Oh.
You like my little bug?
Oh, I'm telling you. My first car. My
Yeah?
first car.
Yeah.
I got what year?
67.
Ooh, you were close. You were close.
You wouldn't have won the car if you didn't.
No.
Yeah,
I had a
okay.
63. I had a 63. Left it out. I just put a block of wood by them.
Did you?
Yes, I did. Just
These
to
are
keep the
fun.
heat
They've
from going
they've
on.
all been, underneath the channels underneath. They're usually rusted out.
Yep.
And the hot air just dumps to the ground. But these have all been redone.
Oh, it's
Well,
nice too.
I
The guy
had
who
nothing.
redid this, he for a living he redoes Porsches.
Yeah.
He's out of Florida,
Mm-hmm.
and he found this car in Texas, so it didn't have that much. Didn't have that much. rust.
The mirrors.
Oh,
I knew
So he
it.
Classic,
said, "Okay,
yeah.
I'll do it," and he redid it, and he says he will never get another Volkswagen or someone with a Volkswagen again. Never again.
no, that's true. Doggone it.
Hello, my little son. Yeah. What's wrong?
Look at that one.
We're at the car show.
Here's a red Camaro, my favorite. Which one? This one right here. This one? Red Camaro. Oh, can't beat that.
Classic, huh?
Right.
They keep it clean, these boys who love their cars. They keep them clean. Hard to find a single fault in something like this. It looks so good. Oh, I said your wife has a beautiful car. And she takes very good, well, you take very good care of it.
She's got a 93. She got a 2002 collector edition. She had to have that because same color.
Oh.
See, I'm driving it to work, and guess what? She never drove it to work either.
Oh, okay.
This got 26,300 miles and 90. It's 30 years old. The 2002 collector edition Daytona 500 pace car. It only came in convertible or T-top. They only made 500. 250 for the T-top, 250. So she wanted the convertible, so she couldn't get the T-top in 93 because they sent her a letter saying the T-tops are giving us trouble. We're going to...
Yeah, in 94, but in 30 days, we're putting this car halfway through the mountains because nobody's buying it. Nobody wanted to buy it out. So that's why there's only 50 Trans Ams and the other 48, I think, are Ford. The yellow is the short car. We're not buying the, you know how you get the book at the dealership? You're looking at a school bus yellow orange. So that's why, then when it came in on the right, we got called, we already...
Come on, she said, when I retire, we'll take both Firebirds out. Guess what? That never happened.
You're here alone.
Yeah. For 8 years, she did 3 different outings, and I don't even remember which one it was. Only 3 times in 8 years. And I can't take, I'm going to have to put a tow bar on that and tow one of them.
All right, you. Let's keep the sun off of you.
Well, what's the lesson?
Huh?
Huh? I can see your face come up there.
Oh.
Yeah. You could talk your ear out, huh? But he's a good guy.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. We're on the other side of the property. This is, what is this property, love?
This is a convent. So where the nuns live and work in the Catholic Church.
Mm.
So,
And is this also like a school?
there's an all-girls school on the back side that the nuns run, and then there's an all-boys school down the street. Hello.
Hello.
This is my son.
Your son?
Would you like to meet him?
Oh, he's beautiful.
Yes, he's just 3 months old.
And you know he knows you. And
Yes.
his mom.
Yes, he does.
He's looking right at you.
Yes, he knows me.
Oh,
He knows Daddy.
sweet. What's his name?
Gaius, like the
Gaius?
Bible.
Bible. Oh, thank you for that lovely save.
Yeah.
He knows Daddy.
Yeah.
He is.
He's wonderful. It's our first child.
Is it? Oh,
Yeah.
of course.
Many more soon.
They both have.
Well, you made this lady's day.
Yes.
Yeah.
It was wonderful to see you.
It's nice to see you.
Nice to see
And
you.
if we
Hi,
have-
buddy.
If we come again, we'll go around.
Yes, yes.
Okay, bye
I know.
now.
Have a
Thank
Bye-bye.
you. I like this place. This is a big property.
And it goes way further back. Look, they got their own solar panels for the power for the whole place.
Yeah.
And like I said, so there's a convent. This is a part of a church, like a vestibule. And essentially the nuns live here, they train here, they also retire here. And that's what we're doing here today, is supporting the nuns that have retired. You know, like that raffle ticket we bought and all the food and stuff, that all goes towards supporting them and celebrating them in their life of service to others. Hello, ladies.
Hello.
This is my son if you want to meet him.
Aww.
How old is he?
3 months.
Oh,
Beautiful.
Yes, he's brand new.
you live here in Monroe?
Yes, just up the road between here and Dundee.
That's nice. I'm
Yeah.
Sister Marguerite. I live here.
Nice
These
to
are my
meet you.
friends who come to visit me.
Family.
It's good to
From
visit.
Chicago. and
Yep.
Flint.
We were just in Chicago not too long ago.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, beautiful place.
Yep.
It's like, Dad, I've been meeting people all day.
Were you at the car show?
Yeah, we
Yeah,
did. We
Now we're
were.
just walking and exploring.
Yep.
Thank you for your life of service, man.
What service? My years of teaching.
Yeah, there you go. Serving
49
others.
years I taught. Yep.
Wow, long
And then
time.
17 summers I taught teachers to be better teachers.
Yeah.
Yep.
Talking. No, you're chattering. He's like, why did we stop?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is insane.
That's exactly what it is.
Yes, he likes to move. He likes to be on the move, this one.
All little boys do.
Yes.
He's
Yes.
like, yeah. He's like, yeah. I was having a nice walk.
Wonderful.
Well, thank you for stopping.
Yeah.
You have a great day.
You too. Whoa, I didn't realize this place is so huge. We've always been passing this property. I didn't realize.
We walk along the river and pass this every
day.
every day.
And
I
it's
told
so
you it was
big.
up in here, but there's all those no trespassing signs normally,
Yeah.
so you don't come up in here. Cause and obviously, you know, they got a bunch of
Oh,
nuns, and they got this is a
people.
girls' school, so they've got young women that they teach here. You know, they don't want any sort of wackos and
Is
weirdos
that a bird?
like you.
Oh, look. Look at the camera. This one. Do you see it?
Yes, it's an eagle. It's an eagle, a bald eagle.
Hunting for
It's a bald eagle. That's what the white
for
is on
prey.
top of
Yeah,
it.
hunting for prey.
Yeah, he's just keeping an eye out. What's small that I can pick up? Any cats?
And the babies.
Any babies? Any little Filipino babies?
Wow, beautiful tree.
Oh, nice old trees that have been well cared for. Wherever he is. Oh, hey.
It's over there.
Hello.
So those are residentials, huh?
Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, that's homes, people's homes.
Right next to the St. Mary, St. Joseph.
Right?
Good sleeping weather, yeah.
He's relaxing.
Yeah.
I wish somebody would push me around in the cart. I don't get that kind of treatment.
Yeah. See ya.
Look at the gazebo.
Ooh,
The gazebo.
cute gazebo.
There's a memorial in the middle of the gazebo. Look.
I would like a gazebo in our house.
Oh yeah.
That would
I'd like
be
$1 million.
nice. She said I'd like $1 million.
Dedicated to Ann E. Chester, IHM, and all who walk the journey to the center.
Wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's so deep, man.
How cool.
Very
That's the kind of aircon we need in our house. Industrial.
industrial aircon.
Keep the whole
in the Philippines.
house 20 degrees Fahrenheit.
Maybe freezing.
My pops used to say, it's so cold, I'd turn the aircon down. He go, it's so cold you could hang meat in here. He would say to me,
Yeah,
you could hang meat in here, it's so cold. What are you doing with the aircon?
He liked to keep it warm, huh?
Yeah, he liked the warmth. He didn't mind a little sweat.
Oh, he fell asleep? No.
Yeah, not for long.
Not for long, until they move him to the truck.
Until we stop the vehicle here.
Yup.
Hello, ladies. Hello. Afternoon.
Sleeping.
This is my son Gaius. Gaius, like the Bible.
Oh, what a sweetie.
Yeah, he is. 3 months.
3 months.
Oh, my daughter-in-law's expecting a baby. Look at this
teeny-
Look at this little. So I'm trying to figure out if I
Tiny.
have clothes for my son. My
Tiny
grandson,
I don't
wanna
like,
touch it
getting
because I'll
clothes
wake him
together.
No, you can touch him.
How
You can
know,
touch
what size
him.
Usually they outgrow newborn clothes really
Very
fast.
quickly.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
He outgrew. He
was
outgrows
so
his clothes every
tiny.
other week.
Was he?
He was so tiny when I gave birth to him. Now he's just growing.
Yeah,
Growing.
what do you weigh?
He was 6.3 pounds.
Yeah.
Now the last time we checked him he was 11 pounds.
Good.
Yeah,
So-
he's growing quick.
Or 3 months old?
Yeah.
He's 3 months?
He's 3 months now. I don't know how much he weighs now.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh,
What a
he's so cute.
He
He's
is.
enjoying the afternoon ride.
Yeah,
right?
he
He
does.
prefers to be outside, actually.
Yeah.
That's great.
When we spend time inside, he gets a little complaining.
He gets bored.
You know?
Yeah, that's good.
Look at how he's got his little knee bent up there like
Yeah.
I wish I could be doing that.
Yeah, he squeezes him like that. Look.
Yeah, look at
He's
that.
comfortable.
Yeah, they're so pliable too.
Yeah.
They like get into all kinds of positions.
Oh,
and
yeah.
I mean, like plus he can hold his arms up like that and
And be
You
comfortable.
know, he can't crawl yet, but his legs are so strong that when we hold him up, I swear he can almost stand on his own. He can't balance yet, but he can stand fully.
Yeah.
You know, with his legs straight like me.
thank you.
See you later.
See ya. Didn't wake up.
No.
When he sleeps, he sleeps. And we're back.
Back to the truck.
Back to the truck.
On to the next adventure.
Oh, where?
Huh?
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 Where?
What?
What?
What?